Okay, Dodge fans, coming to you from Gauze Garage. In this beautiful evening is a 1967 Dodge Coronet RT 440 4-speed Dana rear end. I just got completed a lot of work on this car. As you can see, it presents very well. I featured this car before, but we just did the interior, the console boogie. New alternator, new engine detail, new basically everything to get this thing up to speed. Look at that thing. This is a beautiful automobile. It's the very first RT for Dodge. 1967, they introduced the RT exclusively on the Dodge Coronet, the vehicle you're looking at. And this is a black example from Long Island, New York. Just beautiful, man. I'll tell you what, I love this car. I really do. I try not to fall in love with them, but unfortunately I do. Today we took this whole door apart and put on this new mirror right here, which is a reproduction mirror. But you know what? You can see it's real nice. The old one was getting crispy and kind of, well, anyway. But look at this. For a New York car, this car is absolutely beautiful. I mean, drop dead gorgeous. I bought it from the original family. Technically, I bought it from the original owner's son, so I am second owner outside of the family, you know. So, anyway, let's have a look inside here. That's the 440 talking right there. Price for the wires. A friend of mine was over today. He stopped and he said this car reminded him of Sergeant Friday from the old TV show. And you know what? I get it. Yep. He's actually correct. So let's take a look under here. We got all new brake lines on this thing. Got a big Dana under there. And here it is. Herbie Dodge from West Islip, Long Island. That's where this car came from. I bought it from the original family. It was put away in the winters, just like people did up in New York. They put them away for the winter and they had a driver. So that's why this car looks the way it does. So there you have it, RT fans. Another upgrade and update on the beautiful Coronet RT, the first RT for Dodge. And look at that sun. The afternoon sun setting on the car looks yellow, but there you have it. Dodge Garage. Thank you.